So this is a very informative video regarding Nipah virus that is spreading across Kerala in India. Nipah virus is a virus that spreads mainly through fruit bats but can also spread through pigs and other animals. It can cause severe symptoms including death. There is no medication or vaccine for it. It's more common in Asia, primarily Bangladesh and India. Nipah virus is a virus that spreads between animals and people, a zoonotic virus. It spreads mainly through fruit bats, also called flying foxes, but can also spread through pigs and other animals like goats, horses, dogs or cats. The virus spreads when people or animals have contact with the bodily fluids of an infected animal, or people eat foods that have been contaminated by an infected animal, or people who are in close contact with a person that has Nipah virus, usually while caring for them. The best way to avoid Nipah virus is to avoid exposure to sick animals, especially bats and pigs, in areas with known transmission. This includes avoiding food products that an infected animal can contaminate, like raw date, palm sap, or fruit. Since the virus can spread from person to person through bodily fluids, you should avoid or take precaution when going near anyone with Nipah virus. Preventing Nipah virus involves infection control measures like protective equipment and disinfecting services, as well as avoiding sick animals or areas with known Nipah virus outbreaks. Nipah virus outbreaks almost happen every year in parts of Asia, primarily Bangladesh and India. The virus was first discovered in 1999 when it led to 100 deaths in Malaysia and Singapore. Over 1 million pigs were killed because of the virus, which had a major economic impact on the countries. Since 1999, there have been around 20 additional outbreaks. Now let's talk about the symptoms of Nipah virus. Initial symptoms of Nipah virus may include fever, headache, breathing difficulties, cough and sore throat, diarrhea, vomiting, muscle pain, and severe weaknesses. Symptoms typically begin within 4 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. It's common to have a fever or headache first and develop respiratory problems like cough and difficulty breathing later. In severe cases, a person can develop brain infection, which is life-threatening. Other severe symptoms include confusion and disorientation, slurring speech, seizures, respiratory distress.